Hi, this is Psych where I do predictions of the future. If you'd like me to do prediction for you, let me know in the comments below. Let's talk about Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Will Ethereum be bigger than Bitcoin? That's hard to say because they're two separate and different projects. One is more about finance and one is more about contracts. So they're two separate entities in the old crypto world. So Ethereum will have its uses, of course, but it seems going into the future just a tiny bit is they're going to have a lot of problems going on, especially with changing into Ethereum 2.0. A lot of the things they were discussing, and this is not the first time about releasing the goings on with what's going on with Ethereum 2.0 are going to be delayed by a little bit longer than they had suspected. Other things, some of the people may be pulling away from the projects. Even now, Ethereum has quite a few people working on the project. It's just really tricky getting everything to work perfectly, okay, with the new model. So it's going to take at least 2 to 3 years for them to iron out most of the things that they have to change Ethereum into, especially those gas prices going forward. If they don't fix those gas prices, I think they will, but it won't be for some time. If they don't fix those gas prices, Ethereum is just going to be basically a paperweight. Um, so in the health of it, a lot of turmoil coming up for the next year or so. I even maybe even a little longer, and just hang on. It's going to do okay, but it's going to be a real rough ride going into the 2.0. The wealth, they're getting rid of nefarious people that are part of the projects. Also, people are going to be focusing on all the negatives of what's going on with the Ethereum project and its team. So people are going to be pulling away and only focusing on the negative aspects of the project, and maybe even pulling away and putting their Ethereum and selling it into other cryptocurrencies for the time being. People that are within the organization, there's going to be some failed partnerships coming forward in the next year or so. Plus, they're going to have a hard time keeping some of the team members into the team once they get rid of some nefarious people, getting new people. It's going to be a little bit of that's part of that confusion that they're going to be having in the next year to 2 years time coming up. So that's just my two satoshis on Ethereum. Always grateful for the people that are donating down below. Check me out on the Linktree link in the either in the description or in my bio, depending where you're seeing this, to find where I am on the internet. I'm in quite a few places now. So with that said, I'll see you in the future.